So I did something I genuinely wish someone had done for me when I was first figuring this out. 800 SEO apps on the Shopify App Store. Every single one claiming it will get you to page 1 of Google. I installed the 5 that everyone keeps recommending and tested them properly, feature by feature, on a real store. Here is what I actually found. The 5 apps: SEOLab, SeoWill, TinySEO, Booster SEO, and Tapita. All 5 have the Built for Shopify badge. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which one to install and which ones to skip. Here is what a default Shopify store looks like to Google. No meta titles, no image alt text, product images that are 3 or 4 megabytes each, zero structured data. Shopify gives you a store. It does not give you SEO. Those are 2 completely different things. Those stores with star ratings and prices showing right in Google search, that is structured data. They get clicked on way more. A good SEO app sets all of that up automatically. Without one, you are leaving traffic on the table every single day. 8 features. I tested every one of these myself on a real store. Let us go app by app in detail, then the full side-by-side table at the end. SEOLab, ranked #1 organic SEO app on the entire Shopify App Store right now. Built for Shopify badge. And completely free. Not a free plan with limits, completely free. 4.9 stars from over 2,000 merchants. We started with a completely fresh install. After running just 1 scan, the site jumped to 91 out of 100, while mobile and desktop performance reached an impressive speed score. While I am looking at the dashboard, in Speed Booster tab, SEOLab has already compressed every product image in the background. 30-day restore window if I ever want an original back. For meta optimization, open Page Optimization tab. The AI Optimizer generates a title, description, and tags from 1 keyword. 1 click, applied instantly across your catalog. Next up is Speed Booster. Pages start loading the moment someone hovers over a link, while lazy loading and automatic CSS and JavaScript compression keep your site running fast and smooth. Next is Search Appearance tab. For SEO, you get 7 powerful schema types included completely free. And with built-in live testing, you can validate your structured data instantly with a single click. Open URL Management tab. When it comes to broken links, the system does the heavy lifting for you, automatically detecting issues and creating redirects to keep visitors on the right page and protect your search rankings. This is the section that set SEOLab apart from everything else I tested. AI Visibility. 2 files. LLMS.txt tells ChatGPT and Gemini what your store sells. But the real one is agents.md. Shopify now has an official standard for AI shopping agents. This file is what they read first when they land on your store. SEOLab builds the entire thing for you automatically. Commerce protocol, product endpoints, checkout rules, completely free. No other app in this comparison does this as completely for free. This is what SEO looks like in 2026. SEOWill, formerly SEOAnt, 4.8 stars, 1,660 reviews. The audit is solid. Image compression is 50 per month free. Meta tags work well, but there is one feature here that no other app in this comparison has. Built-in AI blog writer. Type a keyword, and it generates a full SEO-optimized blog post. Headings, product links, meta tags, publish ready. 30 free AI credits on the free plan. 200 per month on Pro. If your store needs content, this is the only app here that does it natively. Now the honest part. Structured data and auto-broken link redirects are both locked behind the $29.99 Pro plan. On SEOLab, both are completely free. And there is a pattern in the reviews around billing support. Worth reading the recent 1-star reviews before committing to a paid plan. TinySEO Speed Image Optimizer app. 5.0 from 2,330 reviews. Perfect rating. In a category with hundreds of apps. That is extremely rare. And 98% of those reviews are 5 stars. Something is working here. The image optimization is the most thorough in this comparison. Compression, resizing, alt text generation, and file renaming. TinySEO automatically renames your image files with SEO-friendly names based on your product title. Small thing. Real impact on image search rankings. Free plan is 50 images per month, paid from $14. Here is TinySEO's unique feature. Index now. When you publish a new product, you want Google to index it immediately, not days later. Every other app submits to Google only. TinySEO submits to Google, Bing, and Yandex simultaneously. One action, 3 search engines. The advanced plan at $23 also adds agents.md, llms.txt, and broken link redirects. Booster SEO, 4.8 stars from 4,565 reviews. That is the highest review count in this comparison by far. And it has one clear pitch. Let the app handle everything automatically. Autopilot. Once it is set up, it continuously monitors your store and fixes issues automatically. New product added with no meta description, Autopilot writes one. Link breaks, automatically redirected. If you run a large store and do not want to log into an SEO dashboard every week, this is the feature for you. The honest picture on pricing, full autopilot, structured data, AI features, that is $39 a month. Most expensive full feature stack in this comparison. For the right store, the automation justifies the cost. But if you are comparing value per dollar, it is a harder sell against the other options here. Last app, Tapita AI SEO Optimizer and Speed. Also a perfect 5.0 rating from over 2,538 reviews. The audit is deep. Image optimization, meta tags, structured data, page speed with core web vitals monitoring, all solid. But Tapita has 2 features no other app in this comparison offers. Google Search Console integration. Every other app gives you its own audit score. Tapita connects directly to Google Search Console. Actual Google data inside your dashboard. Which pages are indexed, which have errors, which queries are driving impressions. And the support team will walk you through fixing those errors, including Google Merchant Center errors for anyone running Google Shopping. That last part, Merchant Center support, is completely unique in this group. Multilingual SEO. If your store sells in multiple languages or multiple countries, Tapita handles language-specific meta tags and shreflang setup properly. None of the other 4 apps in this comparison do this well. 900 image compressions per month on the free plan. Most generous free image tier in this entire comparison. And the paid basic plan starts at $9.99. Cheapest entry point here. The trade-off, no competitor backlink analysis, and the broken link redirect management is more limited than SEOLab or Booster. Here is the full picture of all 5 apps side by side. Each app has one thing the others do not. SEOLab, most complete free SEO stack plus full agents.md AI commerce protocol. SEOWill, only one with a built-in blog writer. TinySEO, only one indexing across Google, Bing, and Yandex simultaneously. Booster, autopilot continuous monitoring. Tapita, only one with direct Google Search Console integration and multilingual SEO. If you're looking for the best overall SEO app for Shopify, my top recommendation is SEOLab. It's completely free, yet it delivers one of the most comprehensive SEO toolsets available. From site audits and performance optimization to structured data, broken link management, and AI-powered SEO enhancements, everything is built into a single platform. What really sets SEOLab apart is its support for the latest AI commerce standards, including agents.md, helping your store become more visible not only in traditional search engines, but also in the next generation of AI-powered search and shopping experiences. For most Shopify store owners, SEOLab provides everything needed to build a strong SEO foundation without paying for multiple apps or expensive monthly subscriptions. One last honest thing. A high SEO score does not mean page 1 of Google tomorrow. SEO takes months, not days. What these apps do is remove the technical barriers holding you back and prepare your store for both Google and AI search. They do the groundwork. Your results build from there. All 5 app links are in the description below. If this saved you time, hit subscribe. I test Shopify apps properly and show you what is actually happening, not just marketing bullet points. Drop a comment with which app you end up going with. I read all of them. See you in the next one.